I'm excited to show you guys all about it.
Action.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Katya for Vicky's Vlogs. Today's video is going to be somewhat like another video I did recently. Today I'm at a $10 million home in Newport Beach, California. So keep watching. Arrive at this home, you're greeted with the most beautifully modern facade. I would almost compare it to a museum. So approaching the front of this home, you'll notice that it is designed with both depth and privacy in mind. They have created this front yard like space within the front of the home, and the inner hallways actually face this area, which really creates a lot of light. Upon actually entering the home, the first thing that you're drawn toward is that beautiful view of the Newport Bay. So right off of this beautiful living room is the beautifully newly renovated kitchen. All of it looks right out onto the Newport Bay. The Newport Beach is actually really close as well. Unfortunately, it's also a very open space. As you can see your neighbors and they can see you. Their lounge chairs are actually facing you, which is kind of interesting. But what it lacks in privacy, it definitely makes up for in beautiful finishes. And amazingly enough, right through those doors, you actually get the master bedroom. So you can actually see all of those beautiful views right from your gorgeous, newly renovated master bedroom. So guys, I'm standing in the master bedroom right now. Everything is upgraded immaculately. Behind my camera person, there's a built-in television as well as a beautiful fireplace. In size, it makes up for an amazing views. There's also an amazing ensuite and hallway. Down this hallway, we're gonna go explore. So one thing that I really wanted to show you guys was that this house is kind of like a smart home. It is very technologically advanced and driven. There's actually a whole case of everything that kind of runs the technology of this home. Let's remember to bring it with us.
I should have did that myself. You should have let me see me.
I got a great, thing of you. Okay, hi guys. So, amazingly enough, there is a kind of secret lower level. Ooh. So guys, there is a secret lower level on the side of this house, and if you didn't know it there, you would probably miss it. There isn't a whole bedroom down here, but there is, it's staged as an office space, but obviously you can use it as whatever you would like. It's very cool. It has its own little mini terrace, and it's kind of a private little mini terrace, so that's also awesome. Of course, if you wanted to, you could take meetings here, you can run your business and enjoy the beautiful view. And there's also a bathroom down here, so you don't really have to leave the space. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and remember to leave a comment down below letting me know that you guys are watching these videos and that you guys are enjoying these videos and that you guys want to see more of these videos. Please let me know, because I definitely want to do more, and I might do more either way, but I definitely want to know that you guys are enjoying them. You guys seem like you're enjoying them, so yeah, I'm definitely excited. Please make sure to like this this video so that more people can see it, so that more people can aspire to getting their own $10 million home. See you guys.